Nice to meet you too. Are you Muslim?
I can speak English fluent.
Wait, bro.
Yeah.
No. What do you worship? India, worships cows.
No.
You know? Bro.
Okay. It is excellent subject. Where are you from?
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco.
Where are you from? You?
Just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know?
Yeah.
Our country Bangladesh?
Bangladesh kind of India.
Yeah, next to India, close to India. Really? Yeah. Close to India. Close to India, yeah, of course. Already I have followed you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Basically, I am Muslim. Assalamu alaikum.
Are you Muslim?
Yeah, I am too Muslim. Yeah, of course.
Are
Really?
you Muslim?
Muslim.
ولكن انتم كتعبدوا البقر. تعبدون البقر.
Let's try to speak in English. I know English very well. I can speak English fluent.
Wait, bro.
Yeah. But your face, I cannot see you clearly.
No, bro, no. I work in Vigo. I working.
Oh, really? What is the reason behind it?
Yes.
What is the reason behind it? Will you explain?
You worship gods and you say I am Muslim?
Yeah. It is simple matter. It is
worship God.
It is simple matter. Just we are to Muslim. Just appearance doesn't matter. It is simple matter. Okay?
No. No Muslim.
What are you doing right now? What are you doing?
What do you worship? What do you worship? What do you worship? You. What do you worship?
Oh, just I pray Almighty Allah. Almighty Allah. Yeah, of course. Really?
Okay, Allah.
I take 5 times prayer every single day. I take 5 times prayer. Allahu Akbar. Yeah, really.
Okay.
Are you really Muslim?
But India worship
Hindus.
India worships cows.
No.
You know? Bro.
Okay.
India worships cows.
It is true. 100% true.
Yeah.
But in our country, Bangladesh, 95% Muslims. 95% Muslims. We are to Muslim in our country. Yeah. Really.
ولكن الأغلبية كيعبدوا البقر. كيديروا بحال هكذا وكيمشيو حدا البقر وكيديروها. كيديروا ديك اللعبة ديال
Actually, please listen. Okay, please listen to me. Do you study? Are you a student? Do you study?
Yeah, I'm student.
Student is school, college or university?
University. I study university.
In which university do you study at present?
This is the
In which university do you study at present? Please tell me the name of your university. I am very interested to know from you.
I'm studying for شنو هي هذه؟ دراري شنو هي الإجازة باللونجلي؟
Okay, just already I have completed MSc degree, Master of Social Science in Social Work. Higher education I have completed recently, and basically I am a private teacher.
I'm studying for art degree in botany.
Okay, just I am a private teacher, English teacher.
you teacher?
English teacher? Yeah, really, of course. Why not? I teach my students by following this glove, geography and environment. Yeah, of course. Are you from capital city Rabat? What is the name of your capital city? Morocco? Rabat?
I study biology. Do you know?
Biology. It is excellent subject. Really?
Biology, yes.
Excellent subject. Biology. Right. Right. Nice to meet you. Actually,
Nice to meet you too.
okay, what is your favorite hobby?